Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Alexis C. Victorio from Philippines. I am 35 years old, married. I have two kids, ages 8 and 14. I am a college graduate. I've been working in Singapore for 3 years and 7 months. My first employer, I served 6 persons, 1 ama, 2 adult, and 3 older children, ages 27, 31, and 35. My duties and responsibilities with them is taking care of ama, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, marketing, and cooking. I finished my contract with them. My second employer, I served 5 persons. They are 5 persons. 1 ay 2 adult, 1 ama, and 2 kids, ages 8 and 13. My duties and responsibilities with them is cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, car washing, gardening, marketing, and taking care of the kids. I work with them for 1 year and 7 months. I am hoping to hire me as your helper, ma'am and sir. I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to stay with you longer. Thank you and God bless.